this, I like to try different beers, so this time I'm going to try the hearty, I think it was called. So let's try this one. Okay. It's like a light beer. I'm watering down light beer. But I like it, especially since it's been hot and I've been sweating a lot. I actually took a shower because I was so hot. It's actually very refreshing. I recommend this beer if it's a hot day. I'm going to try this food. It's hot. It does taste good. I know some people eating it with their hands, but it's just really hot, so I might have to wait a little bit. There's like meat inside. It has a liquid too. It's actually pretty good. It's like dough surrounding meat, but like it was like a pasta style. It's really good. I tasted something similar. I think it was in Russia. So yeah, I recommend it. You try it. There's a little bit of soup flavor in it. All right. Well, I'm going to try something else. I don't think this is actually Georgian, but I was still hungry and I just asked for something else. So this is technically a kebab. Let's try it. Really good. It has a lot of flavor. Like a lot of condiments in it. It tastes really, really good. I love this type of food. It's really good. They really know how to season it. So yesterday I forgot to film the review of the restaurant that I ate, and I would say that the place, even though one of the things was like Georgian food and the other one was not really Georgian food, but it was still good. And I would rate it on the Richter scale. Out of 5. So not bad of a rating. And would I recommend going there? Yeah, I mean, it was close to my hotel, so I didn't mind going somewhere close. I didn't feel like walking too far. People were kind, the service was okay, and the food was okay as well. So without further ado, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more food reviews like these here only on The Richter Show. Here in Tbilisi, Georgia.
Shout out to the host of the Richter. This the Richter Show. The Richter Show.